Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable screen lock on your Nintendo Switch. To do this, you'll need to go to settings, like this, press A, then screen lock, press A, and from here you can disable or enable it. Now it's disabled, now it's enabled. And I'm just gonna show you an example how it works. So now the screen lock is enabled, and I'm gonna lock the device, and now it's locked. We're gonna unlock it and go to main menu, and it will ask me to press the same button 3 times. And now I'm gonna disable the setting, lock the device, unlock device, and it won't ask me to press the same button 3 times again. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.